Nestled in the heart of Tasmania's picturesque Midlands, the charming town of Ross is a place where history and present-day life intertwine effortlessly. Founded in the early 1800s as a vital stopover for travellers and convicts moving between Hobart and Launceston, Ross grew into a thriving settlement, its legacy etched in the beautifully preserved sandstone buildings that still line its streets today. Once a bustling hub for wool and agriculture, the town now carries its heritage with quiet pride, blending its storied past with the gentle pace of modern rural life. Surrounded by rolling green hills and golden pastures, Ross feels both timeless and alive. At its heart stands the famous Ross Bridge, an architectural masterpiece crafted by convict stonemasons in 1836. Adorned with intricate carvings, some say they hold mysterious stories. The bridge remains not just a historic landmark but a living part of the town. Locals cross it daily, fishermen cast their lines from its arches, and visitors pause to admire the way its honey-coloured stone glows in the sunlight. Strolling through Ross today, the past lingers in the air, but the town is far from frozen in time. The main street, shaded by ancient elms, invites leisurely exploration. Boutique shops, artisan bakeries, and cosy cafes welcome travellers with warm hospitality. The local pub, with its crackling fireplace and friendly chatter, remains a gathering place, just as it would have been centuries ago. The Ross Post Office, a beautifully preserved sandstone landmark from the mid-1800s, remains a working hub at the heart of town. Its classic colonial architecture, arched windows, weathered stone walls, and a shaded veranda tells a story of craftsmanship and continuity. Today, it still serves the community, blending history with daily life as visitors pause to admire its charm or step inside to send a postcard from this picturesque Tasmanian town. Beyond the town centre, the landscape unfolds in a patchwork of farmland, where sheep graze under wide Tasmanian skies, and country roads lead to hidden gems like the Ross Female Factory, a quiet reminder of the town's layered history. Flowing gently past the historic Ross Bridge, the Macquarie River weaves through town like a liquid thread connecting past and present. This tranquil waterway, once a vital resource for early settlers and convict builders, now mirrors Ross's peaceful rhythm, its surface rippling with ducks by day and reflecting golden sunsets in the evening. From the ground or the air, Ross reveals its beauty in different ways. The bird view shots capture the symmetry of its historic streets, the curve of the river, and the vast, open countryside that cradles the town. It's a place that doesn't rush, where the past is respected but not overbearing, and where the simple pleasures, freshly baked bread, a walk by the river, the sight of sunset over the bridge feel like small, perfect moments. Ross may be steeped in history, but it's very much a living town, where stories old and new continue to unfold.